Hi, this is my first electronic kit project. After several years na wala ko katrabaho ingunanin, so I'm back. This is a Mosquito Pester. I don't know exactly this Mosquito Pester, but according to the sales lady there kanina, nangutana ko, she said na para ni bugaw sa lamok. Okay, so here are the parts. Actually, it's only about 150 siguro to. Nakalimutan ko ang price. But anyway, here are the parts. This is the PCB board, the circuit board. Then we have here the two capacitors. We have a switch. We have two transistors. We have ceramic transducer. The ceramic transducer will produce sounds. Sounds nga ultrasonic sound. Dili na ito madungog sa tundunggan, but madungog sa mga lamok. So mga lamok dagan kay mahadlok sa tingog niya. Okay, then there are 4 resistors here. Kining resistor is the 100k and also is this is 1.8k and this is the 100k resistors. So mura na yung parts, no? Then this is the schematic diagram. This would be my guide para pag-assemble nini siya. But actually, ang kining circuit board doon na siya ikuan diagram po. So na guide kung asa no ibuta ang mga parts. The only problem kung di ka kibamutan o sa terminal configuration sa parts, di ka kibamutaod. Pero in this case, dili kay problema. The only thing tanawon nimo ang iyahang terminals here, ang kinarang transistor kay tulom ni ka transistor iyahang terminals here. Kinahanglan kibalo kag asang emitter, asang collector, asang base para mabutang mugtarong diri sa circuit board. Otherwise, kung mabali ni mo butang, syempre the device won't function. Okay, so I'll assemble this one. Then I bought some battery case, battery holder. At the same time, muna sa niya kung himuon nga case niya. Maigo man siguro ning gamay kay nga circuit board niya. Ako na naman iubrahon, okay? And I'll tell you if it will function later.